Hey guys, this is Nandan from Beta Console. Today in this video, we'll talk about the program which will determine the given number is whether positive or it is negative. Before writing the program, we should know what is the logic behind the program. So when we say the number is positive or negative, so if the number is greater than 0, we call it a positive number. If the number is less than 0, then we call it as negative number. So let's write a program for this. Let's include header files. For that, hash include stdio.h. then we'll add main line. Okay, then we'll declare variables later. So let's write clear screen function first, clr. Then let's write one printf statement. Will ask user to enter the number, and we have to store this value somewhere. For that I am using scanf. So we'll take integer value, for that %d, comma %n. So we have to declare this. We are taking integer value, that's why I am declaring int n. Okay. So now we have to write the logic. If n is greater than 0, then printf %d is positive, okay, comma n. We'll complete this bracket, else printf %d is negative, comma n. So this is the logic. Now I have to write get ch and return 0 because we are not returning anything, and let's end this with a bracket. Now let's save this. Alt F9 to compile, so we don't have any errors warning. Now we have to compile it. Control F9 to compile. So it is asking us to enter a number, so let's enter 6. 6 is a positive number. So this shows that our program is successfully compiled. Now we'll try the same program for negative number. Then we'll compile once again. Let's run this. Control F9. Let's add negative number, -6. Okay, so we are getting the correct output. -6 is a negative number. Now that our program holds good for both positive and negative number, let's try this for a 0, because 0 is neither a positive number nor a negative number. Control F9, 0. It is showing that 0 is a negative number. That is false statement. If you are doing competitive programming, your test case will fail here. So for that we have to add one more statement here. We'll make this as else if, and we have to add one statement here, that is n is less than 0, then %d is a negative number, then else printf. So we are remaining with the only 0, so directly we'll enter 0 is a neutral number. Close the bracket. Let's save this. Alt F9 for compilation. Control F9 to run. Let's add 0. 0 is a neutral number. So now we can say that our program holds good for both positive, negative and neutral number also. For more such videos, subscribe us on YouTube, and if you have any query, let us know in the comment section. We'll try to solve all your queries. Thank you.